Day one of daytime at Universal Studios Hollywood. Where are we going? You know where we're going. We're going to Super Nintendo World. Harry Potter World isn't the big attraction here anymore. Also, it's not Harry Potter World. Here I go. Entering Super Nintendo World. This is amazing. It's funny, a guy hasn't been here before, but I feel like I have, just because I watched so many videos and saw so many photos and like, oh, that's white. It's like a sneak preview. Wow. It's amazing. It looks. They did such an amazing job. The photos don't even look real. But I've seen it so many times since I can been here, but I haven't. Doing the thing. Oh wow, look at the stairs. That's cool.
Is this room actually expanding, or is it just your imagination?
Well, we're up here doing a single rider line for Mario. Here we go. There was literally nobody in front of us in single riders. I don't know how long we're going to be here, but there was nobody in single riders. So definitely it was a good call. Not that it was hard to figure that out, but yeah, I missed the queue. I'm here for 2 days. All right, Universal, why can't we have something like this at the Minion Cafe? It's a toothsome. This would be so much better than this stupid faded static. Anyway, 37. So you do need a reservation, but you can walk into the restaurant without one. So we don't have reservations, but there's like nobody here. Really? They didn't call them the restrooms? Come on, call it a restroom. I'm not sure why I didn't record a review of this or video of most of this, but Ed and I had eaten twice at the Toadstool Cafe. First time we both ordered the Mario burger. I ordered mine without lettuce, tomato, and mushrooms. I don't remember if Ed ordered his without mushrooms as well. We both had the Superstar parade. We both had the Superstar lemon squash, which was also really good. Second time I had the Fire Flower spaghetti and meatballs, and he had the Luigi burger, which is really a chicken sandwich. Those were also really good. The Fire Flower spaghetti and meatballs also comes, as you see, with a mystery block with a cookie inside that looks like a coin. I also ordered the Mount Beanpole cake. There is a piranha plant doing an impression of Axl Rose. You can start seeing the all the elements lighting up.